Life is full of challenges, small frustrations, major setbacks, and everything in between. For many, these moments create stress, anxiety, or frustration. Stoicism offers a different approach: calm, resilience, and control. It's a practical philosophy rooted in ancient wisdom, yet perfectly suited to the demands of modern life. At its core, Stoicism teaches that while you cannot control what happens to you, you can control how you respond. This distinction is simple but profound. It means that your peace of mind is within your control, regardless of external circumstances. The Stoics broke life down into two categories: what is within your control and what is not. You cannot control events, the actions of others, or the outcomes of your efforts. What you can control, however, is your own mindset, your thoughts, your actions, and your character. By focusing on what's within your control, you let go of unnecessary worry over things you cannot influence. This philosophy is grounded in four key virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Wisdom allows you to distinguish between what is important and what is not. Courage is not just physical bravery, but the strength to endure challenges, uncertainty, and discomfort without complaint. Justice means treating others with fairness and integrity, even when it's difficult. And temperance, self-control, keeps your desires and impulses in check, helping you remain focused and balanced. Consider how these virtues apply to daily life. Take a common situation: being stuck in traffic. Most people feel frustration in this moment, but frustration arises from trying to control what you cannot. A Stoic would see it differently. The traffic is not under your control, but how you use the time is. You can choose to get angry, or you can accept the situation and respond calmly. This simple shift in mindset removes unnecessary stress. Now, imagine a larger challenge: facing failure or rejection. Stoicism teaches that failure is not something to be feared or avoided, but an opportunity for growth. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and a leading Stoic philosopher, said, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." In other words, the challenges you face are not obstacles. They are part of the path forward. By embracing difficulty, you become stronger. Stoicism is not about avoiding problems or pretending life is easy. It's about building the mental discipline to face life's inevitable hardships without being overwhelmed by them. You may not control the events that unfold, but you always control your response. This is where true strength lies. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, Stoicism offers clarity. It teaches us to focus on what is within our power and to accept what is not with equanimity. This shift in perspective is both liberating and empowering. If you adopt Stoicism in your daily life, you'll find that many sources of stress lose their grip on you. Instead of reacting to every frustration, you'll remain calm. Instead of fearing failure, you'll view it as a chance to grow. And most importantly, you'll maintain control over the only thing that truly belongs to you, your own mind. Thank you for watching. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing for more insights into Stoicism and practical philosophy. Remember, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Focus on that and you will find peace.